Welcome back to the channel, everyone. So on this video I'm going to use some old footage that we did a while ago for spraying the interior carpet. It was originally grey and I decided I preferred the look of black, so I bought some dye off eBay and I sprayed it. I also done this parcel shelf, however the footage is not that great, so I'm going to do a quick video to show you how it's done, or at least how I did it and the end result. One thing I will mention is, when you do this, definitely do it outside, as being solvent based it stinks and it also lingers. The dye I'm using is this. Using some Black Knight carpet dye from eBay. It was 26 quid for 5 litres. Seems to come out okay. You do get a spray bottle with it, but I cheated and decided to use the cheap spray gun instead with a compressor. This is the spray gun I'm using. It came with the compressor when I bought it, so bargain basement, but it does seem to spray dye. That's all I need.
There's quite a lot of water. I can hear it whooshing around.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ!
Let's drain the swamp! So today we've been removing the interior.
Can you see that?
See what?
I can't.
Oh, I can see it. I don't know about you.
Well, no, I meant on camera.
So not the greatest space to work in, but rust wise it's not too bad. There's a puddle down there and a puddle down there. And there's a bit of rust in that corner. But apart from that, it's not too bad. I've got the gun set to about 26 psi. I don't have an inline one, so I'm just using the compressor. But here goes. Despite having this rather crappy spray gun that came with the compressor, it did cover quite well. I'd assume it covers just as well with a spray bottle, admittedly a lot slower. It's worth noting that you should give it a good scrub down, whether or not you use carpet shampoo or what, to clean it. And then in between coats I was using the back of a sponge. These bits turned out to be the hardest bit to get to cover. I'm not sure why. I'd assume it's because it's faded, because it's where it meets the rear windscreen. So it took a good 2 or 3 more coats to the rest of it to cover that bit, but it did cover in the end.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, miss you. Take you off, I came here way too strong, cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof, auto, your taste. It's really a bad reception out there, where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose, there's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, there's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, hitting you up but I'm stuck on hold. Is it really a bad reception out there, where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Yeah, I lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, yeah, I lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I've lost you, I've lost you, I keep on looking for you.
It took far longer than expected, didn't it?
I'm aching.
Looks like it's been down coal mine.
I can feel it in my hips. That's worn me out. It does look unreal though.
Hope you liked the video. I admit it's not the best video, but it does give you an idea of what to expect, how it's done and the end result. I think for the price that you pay for the tyre, which is 25 quid for 5 litres, goes a long way. I probably use more than I should, and it's a nice dark deep black. So like, subscribe, if not, tally ho.